Last year, I paid $0 in management fees. My portfolio still outperformed 89% of professional advisors. Welcome back to Dollar Hatch. Today, the complete guide to being your own financial advisor using ChatGPT. You'll build a custom wealth command center. Miss this, and you'll lose years of freedom and hundreds of thousands. 96% of Americans can't pass a basic financial literacy test. Yet they hand their money to a stranger calling themselves an advisor. That friendly advisor often charges a 1% fee. Over 30 years, the average investor loses 28% of their potential returns to fees. On a $500,000 portfolio, a 1% fee equals $150,000 in direct cost. Lost compounding pushes the damage over $430,000. My neighbor retired at 62. He still works part-time because his managed fund underperformed the S&P 500 by 3% for 20 years. But what if you could leverage artificial intelligence to build, manage, and optimize your entire financial life for pennies a day? Let's make the fee destruction concrete. Two people invest $10,000 per year for 30 years. One pays 1%, the other 0.04%. The low-cost investor accumulates $2.0 million. The fee payer gets $1.5 million, a $500,000 difference from one decision. That $500,000 could be your early retirement, and the tool to eliminate these fees is already in your pocket. But the real breakthrough isn't just avoiding fees. It's receiving hyper-personalized strategies that adapt to your life in seconds. To transform ChatGPT into your personal CFO, you need a structured prompt. Provide your full financial snapshot. Right. Act as a fiduciary advisor. I am 35, earn $90,000, have $50,000 savings, $30,000 debt. Create a 5-year wealth plan. Add monthly savings targets, debt payoff order, specific investment vehicles. ChatGPT delivers a professional, actionable plan. Now here is where it gets addictive. I simulated a job loss and got a survival budget instantly. Ask, what if I reduce savings by 10%? Most DIY portfolios are a mess. Hot stocks, sector bets, zero rebalancing. ChatGPT can engineer a disciplined academic-grade allocation. Prompt: build a low-cost ETF portfolio for a 45-year-old with moderate risk. Use only Vanguard funds, 60% US stocks, 25% international, 15% bonds. It returns VTI, VXUS, BND with exact percentages. My sister used this template. Her portfolio gained 22% year to date. But the next level is where ChatGPT dives into your tax brackets, account types, and withdrawal sequences, services costing $2,500 annually. The 4% rule ignores sequence risk. With a market crash early in retirement, your portfolio could fail 47% of the time. ChatGPT, run 1,000 retirement scenarios. $600,000 starting, $1,500/month added, 7% mean return, 12% volatility, 3% inflation, 35-year horizon. 2 coworkers. Jack starts at 25, Jill at 40. Each invests $500/month at 8%. Jack retires with $1.5 million, Jill $440,000. 15-year gap. But there's one financial cancer that erodes wealth faster than any fee: high-interest debt. And ChatGPT has a battle plan. Credit card debt at 22% APR doubles every 3.3 years. I once paid $2,000 in interest. The average household carries $6,200. That's $1,364 annual. Prompt: I have $8,000 credit card at 22%, $20,000 student loan at 5%. Extra $500 monthly. Show Avalanche and Snowball plans. Avalanche saves $1,890 and pays off 11 months earlier. Snowball clears the first card in 9 months for psychological wins. This next concept could save you $200,000 in taxes over your lifetime, and most advisors mention it as an afterthought. But the true advantage of AI is dynamic decision-making. When the market dips, you ask, should I rebalance? Tax loss harvest? Right away. You're no longer reacting weeks later. You're executing in the moment like a hedge fund manager. Meet Sarah, 30, Austin, $60,000 income, $15,000 student debt, 0 savings. She's one emergency away from financial crisis. She opens ChatGPT, pastes a prompt. I am 30, $60K salary, $15K debt at 4.5%, $0 savings. Create a 10-year plan to reach $100 K net worth. Output. Build $1,000 emergency fund, pay debt in 24 months by cutting $100 from dining out, then invest $6,000 year in Roth IRA. By 40, she's debt-free with $85,000 invested. That one prompt gave her a clear path, costing $0. Sarah's story isn't unique. Thousands are doing this daily. The only barrier? The courage to stop paying for mediocre advice. You now hold a framework that financial advisors charge $3,000 to $5,000 per year to manage. Yours is more responsive and free. The math is brutal. 1% fee steals 28% of your wealth. A zero-fee DIY approach with AI returns every dollar to compound. Start tonight. Ask ChatGPT, review my financial situation, and tell me the one thing I should fix first. You'll get your answer. I've seen engineers, teachers, and nurses use this system. Maria, an Ohio teacher, saved $12,000 in fees and retired 2 years early. Your future self isn't a stranger. They're waking up on a Tuesday with zero debt and a portfolio working harder than you. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Join 347,000 others reclaiming their financial destiny. Next time, we'll break down the exact 3-fund portfolio that beats 92% of hedge fund managers and how to automate it forever. AI is not the future of finance. It's the present. The gatekeepers are gone. The keys are on your keyboard. Go unlock your wealth.